Hey, Sarah, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I've got another dumpster on an off-road package. Now, this one's going to my man Eric down in Texas, and this isn't Eric's first dumpster. We built him one a couple months ago just on casters. I guess he got it, fired it up, and just fell in love with it. Said, guys, I got to have another one. So we built him another one. This time, he got it on our off-road package, and he got it set up with some white wall tires, baby moon hubcaps. First time we've done this setup. Really looks slick on this dumpster. And when you add the off-road package to the dumpster, you do get this side shelf as well. Let's open her up here. So guys, this is a direct heat cooker. So you got a top grate and a bottom grate here. The whole thing is 3/16. The bottom is actually 1/4 inch plate and it's insulated. So you got an insulated bottom, 1/4 inch plate, extra heavy duty. You got your bottom grate here and your top grate. This thing's great for ribs, chicken. You can throw charcoal up here, grill on it. Really versatile cooker. Fun to run. Great if you're having party or gatherings. This thing draws a lot of attention. So guys, that is our TMG dumpster heading down to Texas. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.